Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a change that's coming to Google Maps that I think will be a very good thing for users. So until now, when you use your smartphone and you go to Google Maps and you go to different areas and the tracking that goes with it, it creates a timeline on Google that actually you can view where you've been in the last week, month, years. It keeps a lot of data and, of course, shows it on the map. And this is what it looks like. Mine is in French, sorry. But so this is a look at where I've been in the last couple of years. So basically, what happens here is that this is stored in the cloud. So that's the biggest problem with that, is that it is stored in Google's own places and servers. And also, if law enforcement needs to see where you've been, they can actually have a warrant to force Google to give the data of all of this. So Google states that during 2024, the timeline, all the data from Google Maps of where you've been, will now be stored on your phone only. So they will stop having that data available in the cloud. You will still be able to synchronize that data if you want with other devices with the settings in the app, but the data itself will now be stored only on your device. So the thing that can happen is if law enforcement, for example, wants to see where you've been, well, Google won't have the data anymore. You will have it only on your phone. You're the only one that got that info. And there's the snooping, as we say, the privacy side of things. Having it on your phone means that it's more private, and you'll have access to that data, and it won't have to be on the cloud and have the risk that something could happen because of that. So this is kind of cool. You'll now be able to have that timeline only on the phone, so that it's going to be a lot more private and only you can access the data. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.